Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Pontiac Firebird 400 with a 4-speed. And it's a one-owner survivor with 47,000 miles. And has a special order paint, the carousel red. And it's sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $35,000. And it was definitely a good-looking car, that's for sure. Has the invoice for the car there, which I'll have a picture of you can take a look at. And it shows that it had the special order paint was $12.64, 4-speed trans, $195.36, radio PB, $61.09, deluxe seatbelts, $12.64, console, $53.71, disc brake power, $64.25, Cordoba top, $89.52. And then Firebird 400 was $292.79. Safety track, the posi rear end was $63.19. Speaker rear stereo, $15.80. Wheels Rally 2, $84.26. Power steering variable, $105.32. And glass price, tinted glass, $32.65, which gave it a sticker price of $4,025.47. And then the dealer invoice was $2,934.37. So had quite a bit of gross profit. So that means the salesman made probably $250 or $300, depending on the dealership, when he sold it new back in 1969. But as far as the numbers go on the 400, actually on the Pontiac in 1969, Pontiac made 87,708 Firebirds, and 75,362 were the two-door hardtop coupe, like this guy. And then this one has the standard 400 engine, which they made 4,601 with the 4-speed. And they made an additional standard 400s, 6,921 with an automatic. And then they had the 400 high output Ram Air 3. They made 1,498 with the 4-speed and 499 with the automatic. And then the Ram Air 4, which was the rare one, they made 126 with a 4-speed and 35 with an automatic with the Ram Air 4. So those are pretty slim numbers on those guys. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1969 Pontiac Firebird 400 with one owner, 47,000 miles, survivor with the bill of sale. It's sold at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California for $35,000. And it was a special order color of carousel red, which was similar to the Judge color on the 69 Judge GTO. But anyway, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.